think high-performing sales teams are teams that are able to engage healthcare providers in meaningful discussions that help change or motivate behavior we want to see. Now, that's pretty generic, right? What does that mean to the pharmaceutical world? A high-performing sales team, from the new hire standpoint, is a group that gets through new hire training, gets out the door, and starts impacting revenue straight away. Same for the product launch scenario. You can't wait 15 days after the product has launched to start to drive revenue. We need folks that can quickly uptake information, translate that information into meaningful messages, and deliver those messages in a way that makes customers become brand ambassadors. Some of the obstacles of creating high-performance sales teams, quite frankly, is technology. There are so many things that sales reps are supposed to go to help drive them to be high-performance salespeople. Multiple apps, an app for every brand, sometimes a couple apps for every brand. Not a really clear path to where can I go right now to help me be prepared for this discussion I'm about to have with a healthcare provider, or as I've left a healthcare provider and I'm thinking, geez, I could have done this a little bit better before I go to the next call. Let me just refresh on that information. That information is all over the place now. So simplifying the technology process, making one point of entry where folks can go to get all of the information they need to have effective conversations with their healthcare providers is key. Making sure that you're thinking about how is the content going to be enhanced by the technology from both a learning perspective, right? So are we using tools within the technology that make the learning stickier, and from a data perspective, and then what are we getting out of folks being able to interact on this mobile environment that allows customers to make better decisions to help drive better performing sales teams. So historically in sales training, we've measured knowledge. That's been the benchmark, right? And have people passed a test or not passed a test. For events, we've measured, did people like the event? Did they think it was going to help them out in the field? This has been a challenge in the sales training industry. What we're saying is that's not enough. Any training partner should be able to measure knowledge, but are they also able to create programs that allow you to get other information, such as how confident is the sales rep? How ready is that person able to deliver a conversation with a healthcare provider? How engaged are they with the brand story? If it's a sales rep, if it's a sales manager, how engaged are they in the coaching process? Being able to provide that kind of insight, and then ultimately getting to a place where you're analyzing that and saying, hey, when we see this set of trends, these are the type of results we can expect, just elevates the entire experience.